Hello everyone, and welcome to a short presentation about Trio STEM 8 Student Support Services. My name is Roberto Salazar, and I'm the ambassador for the Trio STEM 8 program. I wanted a few minutes of your class time to introduce you to the program and encourage you to apply. So first of all, what is Trio STEM 8 Student Support Services? We are a program funded directly by the United States Department of Education that serve undergraduate students pursuing degrees in the STEM-H fields, which include science, technology, engineering, math, and health sciences. Who qualifies for services? As mentioned before, you must be an undergrad student enrolled at NMSU majoring in any STEM-H field. Then, you must be considered one of the following: either a low-income student, a first-generation college student, or a student with a specific disability. At Trio STEM-H, we provide multiple services, such as one-to-one tutoring, mentoring, workshops, financial literacy, academic coaching, career development, scholarships, and many other services that help you succeed throughout your college education. Also, all our services are completely free to eligible students. Currently, we are providing all of our services online due to the pandemic, but we have trained our mentors and tutors to help you succeed and overcome this pandemic. Remember that we are here to help you succeed. We understand that students in the STEM and health science fields have a challenging course load and difficult courses. Tutoring and mentoring can fully support them throughout the college experience. If the program sounds like something you might be interested in, I encourage you to apply directly at our website. So now I want to show you directly how it looks like. If you go to stemh.nmsu.edu/apply, you will be visited to this little specific page where you will be showing this short little application that takes about 1 or 2 minutes to complete. If you scroll all the way down and you finally complete it, you just click the submit button on the bottom. Another thing that I wanted to show you is that we actually have our tutors and mentors listed here in the website as well, so that you guys can have a little more idea of what specifically we tutor and what specifically we mentors and who they are. So we have our fall 2020 mentors, and then we also have our fall 2020 peer tutors. Under the peer tutors, you can actually see the specific courses that they tutor, and your course should be listed because we do try to tutor all the STEM-H courses. Finally, if you have any questions, email or call us. I have provided your instructor or coordinator with an online flyer with more information about our program. You are also welcome to follow us on social media where we provide weekly updates. Thank you for your time and good luck with the rest of your semester. I hope to be hearing from most of you in the future. Bye-bye.